Hello everybody, welcome to my channel. I hope you are all good, and today we are going to work in this really easy and fast knitting pattern. This is only 4-row repeat, and you can use any kind of rib for the beginning. I use that one. Let's get started. For the pattern, you need to cast on even number, but let's first start with the ribs and the set of rows. What I did, I already start by first row. This pattern start from the right side. I'll take the first one. I knit next, and then when I have the yarn on the back side, I have to do the slip stitch. Again, I knit one slip stitch, knit one slip stitch, and keep continue until the end of the row, like that, with one slip stitch, knit one slip stitch, and the last as it. When it comes here, for the next row, we are going to knit all stitches by insert your hook in this side and knit all stitches. It's up to you how many rows do you want to repeat that pattern. In this case, I knitted 6 rows. Like this. The last one, I do it. You can see here you have like a wave. Here, let's repeat one more time. Again, by knit one slip, knit one slip until the end of the row, because I'm going to start the pattern in the next row. The pattern is really easy to follow. Okay. For the pattern, as I told you, we need to have even number. What we have to do, we take these 2 stitches for the beginning. I make it together, but before I take it out, I'm going to knit the second one, like that. Again, I'll take these 2, knit together, then knit the second one before I take it out, and keep continue until the end of the row, like that, by knit 2 together, knit the second one. This is the row 1 for pattern. Row 2 and row 4, and I mean all of the even rows, you have to just pull all the stitches. If it comes at the end, you also have these 2, take it together and knit the second one. This is the row 1. As I told you, when it comes to row 2, you have to pull all stitches This is really fast pattern. If you start, it's gonna be finished the project soon. Like that. When it comes to row 3, what you have to do, you have to take the first one and then start the pattern like row 1. The key and tips here, because you have to make sure, if you look at this stitch here, it has to be exactly on the left side of the stitch. If you don't take the first one like that, you are going to have on the top what is not correct. If you look at this stitch here, the next one has to be on the left side. So I keep continue like that. Just take these two, knit together and knit the second one. Again, knit 2, knit the second one, knit 2 together, knit the second one. When it's come in the end of the row, you have to have row 3, I mean all of the odd rows, you have to have one at the end and one in the beginning. Just knit. Row 4, again pull all stitches, let me do it fast, and these 4 rows is going to be repeat, but always, as I told you, you have to make sure the new stitch has to be on the left side. When it comes here, it's time to repeat row 1. It means that I have to take these two at the beginning, knit together and knit the second one. So if you look at the stitches here, one here, the one on the left side, the next one also come on the next one like that. That's all. If you repeat these 4 rows, you are going to have the pattern like that. This is back side and front side. I hope you enjoy this tutorial. Thank you for watching this video and have a good day.